Hello guys, today I wanna play a game. We're gonna take a look at the new Spigen case and we're gonna install it on the new Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Here's the new Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Beautiful design with the metal all the way around the phone. But you still need to protect your phone. And that's why we're gonna install the new Spigen case. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start with this opening here, the box. And let's take a look at the Spigen case. This is one of the best looking cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and still offers pretty good protection. So let's see what we have here. We get the bumper case, metallized buttons, volume rocker right here, access to the speaker grill on the bottom, the Spigen branding on the back, USB port access, microphones, S Pen, power button, perfect cutouts and access to the rear camera, heart rate scanner, 3.5mm audio jack on top, microphone and IR blaster. This is a 2-pieces case with the rubber and the plastic bumper around it. So let's go ahead and install this on the phone. You don't have to take this apart, but you can if you want to. So all you have to do is just slide the phone inside. I start with from the volume rocker area. Make a little pressure in one corner, then later on the other corner. And there you have it. The case is installed. Let's take a look and see how it looks like. Look how beautiful the case looks like from the side. The case mimics right here on all four corners the little bump that we see on the phone. Look at the access to the rear camera, the flash, and the heart rate monitor. The camera sits inside of the case, so it's gonna be protected, as well as the flash and heart rate monitor. Perfect access on top to the 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, IR blaster. On the bottom, perfect access, plenty of space to access the S Pen. Microphones at the bottom, USB port. On the back, access to the speaker grill. Spigen name, Neo Hybrid on the side. Let's test the buttons. There's a power button, it works perfect, very responsive. Now let's test the volume rocker. As you guys can see, it works very good, very responsive. Now as far as the price of this case, guys, this was about $16 to $18 on Amazon. So there you have it, guys. Beautiful new Spigen case with the metallized buttons installed on the beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Again, this was the installation of the Neo Hybrid Spigen case for the new and beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Friends, subscribe for more videos, share the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.